Welcome to Geography, Grade 4. Today's lesson is work as a connection between people and places. We'll discover how the jobs people do connect towns, cities, and even countries to one another. Look at these two places. A busy city full of offices and shops. On the other, a peaceful farm with fields and farm animals. People work in both, but their jobs are very different. Can you think of some jobs people do in a city? And what about jobs on a farm? People work to earn money, to help others, and to produce goods or services that everyone needs. Work connects people, families, and even whole places together. Work is any task people do to make or provide something useful. Some people make goods, like bread, clothes, or furniture. Others give services, like teaching, driving, or caring for the sick. Every job helps our community in some way. South Africa has many different kinds of places. In rural areas, like farms or villages, people often work with the land. They grow crops, raise animals, or make crafts. Rural jobs use natural resources. In urban areas, like towns and cities, people work in offices, shops, or factories. Urban jobs often depend on transport, electricity, and technology. Both are important, and together, they help our country grow. Work links one place to another. Let's take an example. A farmer grows vegetables in a rural area. A truck driver transports them to a supermarket in the city. There, people buy the vegetables to feed their families. See how the farm, the truck, and the city are all connected through work. This is how work connects people and places across South Africa. And even across the world. Now it's your turn. Take a piece of paper and draw your town or village. Add 2 or 3 people doing different kinds of work, like a teacher, farmer, or shopkeeper. Then, draw arrows showing where their goods or services go. For example, a farmer sends milk to the city. A teacher helps learners who will work all over the country. Work can change places. When new factories or shops open, more people move to towns for jobs. This is called urbanization. It brings new opportunities, but also challenges, like traffic, pollution, and less space for farms. That's why it's important to plan our cities and take care of our environment. Let's remember what we learned today. People work to earn money and help others. Rural and urban areas offer different kinds of jobs. Work connects people and places through goods and services. Work changes how places grow and develop. Now think of one job in your community. How does it connect your place with another place? For example, does a bakery send bread to nearby towns? Or does a teacher prepare students who will work all over the world? Here is your homework. Write a short paragraph about one person in your household or community. Describe what job they do, and explain how their work connects your place to another place. Excellent work today, explorers. Remember, every job, no matter how small, connects people and places. See you in the next lesson.
Work is how grown-ups earn money to live. They do many things and have a lot to give.